Welcome back to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Before we dive into the all-new 2026 Dacia Duster, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update from Auto Drive. Stick with us till the end to catch every exciting detail about this upgraded compact SUV that's turning heads in 2026. The 2026 Dacia Duster comes packed with impressive upgrades, starting under the hood. It offers a range of engine options, including a fuel-efficient turbocharged 1.2-liter and a more powerful 1.6-liter unit. Depending on the variant, you get horsepower figures between 130 to 150 horsepower with torque numbers going up to 250 Nm, delivering solid performance for both city and off-road use. The transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a responsive CVT automatic, giving drivers the flexibility they prefer. As for the drive type, Dacia gives you choices between front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, making the Duster suitable for various terrains. Inside, the cabin is practical yet comfortable, with seating for 5 and available options like fabric or leatherette upholstery. Heated front seats, a digital instrument cluster, and improved sound insulation add to the driving experience. On the outside, the 2026 Duster features a bold new body design with a slightly wider and taller frame. The SUV rides on an updated wheelbase that improves interior space and handling stability. The Duster is built on a refined suspension system featuring McPherson struts in the front and a torsion beam at the rear, offering a balanced ride. Braking is handled by disc brakes on all 4 wheels with added safety from ABS, EBD, and ESC. Safety is further reinforced with 6 airbags, rear parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera in higher trims. The infotainment setup includes an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and a premium audio system in select versions. Additional features include cruise control, keyless entry, power windows, and an optional panoramic sunroof. With sleek design touches like LED headlamps, a revamped front grille, and special edition trims, the 2026 Dacia Duster is both stylish and functional. To get the full experience of this SUV's transformation, be sure to watch the video till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Drive for more exclusive car content every week.